So here are some great suggestions how to use our Tabasco Sriracha pepper sauce. We've got our spicy honey and tomato ketchup, just mixing the three together and stirring them, simple. We have got our spicy Sriracha mayonnaise, just using our Sriracha and mayonnaise mixed together. We've got a really easy to use kimchi, which is just cabbage and Sriracha mixed together. It really is good. And then every starter selection should have this halloumi fingers with a quick drizzle of our Tabasco Sriracha pepper sauce. For these recipes and more, please visit our YouTube channel.